Good day, brothers and sisters in Christ. Friends, Happy New Year 2026. Natapos na naman ang time ng year 2025. At ngayon, year 2026, panibagong time. For this year 2026, don't waste time in not so much important things. Marinig natin ang mga pangusap na time is gold. Or how I wish I had a time, but I had no time. Or if I can only go back in time, then I can make things better. From the book of Ecclesiastes, there is time for everything. And allow me to share it to you. Chapter 3, verse 1. There is an appointed time for everything, a time for every affair under heavens. Therefore, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ, spend time with God in prayer. Spend time with family and loved ones. Spend time to serve the church and the community. Offer your time to the Lord, for He is the author and giver of time.